The basic pyramid structure is made out of 6 wooden rods, 3 metal springs, a metal ring secured with rubber bands, and the corners reinforced with hot glue and electric tape. Hair ties replaced the rubber bands. Tennis balls were glued to the corners, and 3 empty milk cartons were taped to the wood. The egg carrier was lined with cotton and placed on top of the metal ring. The hair ties secured it into place, and the cartons were securely tightened to the wood. The final product is an egg carrier that allows an egg to fall 3 stories high without breaking. The reason why the egg does not break when dropped is because of the formula force times time equals change in momentum. The change in momentum is a set number because the final momentum is going to equal 0. For this reason, as time gets bigger, force will get smaller. The goal of this project was to make time as large as possible, so the force of impact was as small as possible. In our contraption, the milk cartons will be what increase the stopping time. The carriage will fall on the milk cartons, and when it hits the ground, the weight of the carriage will cause the cartons to deflate, making the landing time a soft and long one, rather than a quick and rigid one. Another component of the carriage that will increase the stopping time is the design of the egg carrier. The springs attached to the corners allow the egg carrier to move around a little when dropped. This is helpful because when the carriage hits the ground, the springs will give the carrier even more time to stop, preventing the egg from breaking. Overall, an egg placed in this egg carriage will be able to survive a 3-story drop because the stopping time will be so big that the impact will not be big enough to crush the egg. This is due to the springs and milk cartons that will be used. This egg carriage will protect an egg from a 3-story drop.